your trap and take over. Name another bitch that's colder. I just bought a brand new Rover. I don't even drive no more, I got a chauffeur. Took off, man, they asking me to slow up. Getting wiser and my money getting older. And that bitch, I ain't even gon' hold it.
Hey babes, it's Barbie and I'm back with another video. If you're a returning subscriber, hey, if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and join the bougie crew because it's the bougie way or no way, period. Today I am back with another hair review slash wig install, whatever you want to call it. I don't understand. What does she do? But anyways, if you watch Bad Girls Club, you know what I'm talking about. Anyways, yeah, so this, I am wearing Celie hair. This is their 26-inch water wave. 26-inch water wave wig, and this is a lace frontal. This hair is super full. I really like this hair. I didn't cut the back lace because I be forgetting sometimes and I just don't be caring to really cut it. I mean, I should, but sometimes, like I said, I forget and I don't cut it. Today I didn't forget, I just didn't cut it. But anyway, so yeah, this is the wig. And this was like a quick install, only took me like 45 minutes. If you want to see how I got this look, make sure you continue watching. All the info on this wig is going to be in the description box below. And you can also receive some money off with the coupon in the description below as well. So if you want this wig, just click on the link in the description. And if you want to see how I got this bomb look, then keep on watching. Also, let me know what y'all think in the comments on this look, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you're not already. I love y'all. Enjoy. All right, so this is the box that came in. First step is we're going to cut the ears out of our cap, blow dry it. I mean, not blow dry it, but add the Got to Be Free spray to the hairline, and then blow dry it until it is completely dry. I'm going to be using my powder foundation in the color Java. I got a new one, y'all. I'm so excited. And we're going to apply that to the front of the cap. And then after we get done applying that, then we're going to cut the remaining of the cap off. So right here, I'm just adjusting the wig to my head, make sure it fits correctly. I'm using my wax stick to move the extra flyaway hairs out of the way so they won't get in the way of me laying the lace in a second. And then in the next step, we're just going to go ahead and cut the ears off of the lace so we can get ready to lay the lace down. So I'm going to use my Bougie Barbie hair gel and my free spray. So what I'm going to do is just put it all over the hairline, and then I'm going to blow dry it until it is tacky. Then I'm going to press the hair and the lace into the product, and then I'm just going to blow dry it. And then once I'm done with that, I'm going to go in and cut the lace. just always remember to cut in a zigzag motion so that way it will look natural. Now for all the pieces that did not stick down, I'm just going in with my freeze spray and my blow dryer. Now I'm going to take a cotton ball with alcohol to remove the freeze spray residue from the hairline. Now I'm going to go in with my powder foundation and put it on the lace so that way it will blend and look natural. Now y'all know I like to part my hair and stuff before I start plucking. So I'm just going to do a quick side part. I'm going to use my Bougie Barbie wax stick to lay the part flat, and also use my hot comb to basically secure it in place. And then I'm going to go in and pluck the part. Once I'm done plucking, I'm going to go ahead and start on my baby hairs, and I'll be using my Bougie Barbie hair mousse to style my baby hairs. Okay, for the final step, I'm just applying the mousse to my hair, and that's pretty much the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know what y'all think on this look in the comments. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. And I will see y'all in the next one. Bye, babes.